honor to Suresh Raj Sankati Garu and Jeremiah Garu and my favorite person, Abba. I'm so happy I'm here. Uh, recently I started coming over here to this altar, to the church, and there were so many things happening in my life. Before in my past, I went to so many things also, but you know, I was in God. I was learning things, but something is lacking in my life. Something ఏదో లేదు. But after coming here, after spending time with everyone and learning, practicing whatever my Abba is telling, you know, there was a drastic change in my life. I'm not understanding what is happening in my life. So coming over here, seeing everyone, क्या कर रहे हैं सब लोग? Starting a year ago, Sumit used to talk about Abba. It's been 1 year since I started. My friendship between Sumit and me. He talks about Abba and he shares so many things, his memories and everything. You know, what is there actually? क्या है इतना hype दे रहा क्या है बोल के I was thinking seriously. Yeah. No, I never met Abba actually. That is the reason. So I met him a year ago when Life Fashions was opening on that day. Sumit invited me to come. So then I came. I met Abba for the first time. So उस दिन मिला मैं I don't know what happened. There was a connection. हो गया ऐसा. I'm not understanding. हो गया ऐसा connection हो गया. I feel like okay, see his daringness. See how he talks. What speciality in him. So then I got connected with Abba for the first time. He was speaking so many things, and also I was connected on that time. And again, after a 1 year, then there was a fest in my college. Actually, I'm from Loyola College, and then I met Surabhi Akka in the fest actually, and then Surabhi Akka on the third day she said me to okay Sam now come to our church. ऐसा है वैसा है बोल के then she invited me to the church and I already met Archa Khanna also and from then I started coming over here don't know for the first time I came I don't know what happened actually it was crazy seeing Abba talking it was very handsome person is coming and more handsome in spirit actually so so after coming here coming regularly to the church and I there is a spiritual growth and literally on a day I was sleeping I got a vision and saw Abba in spirit and since from that day I don't know what happened it touched me in the spirit I never witnessed with this thing in my past actually that was the first time witnessing a person in my vision so really I don't know it touched me and ऐसा कुछ की हो गया I don't know my literally my spirit turned 360 degrees ऐसा पलट गया पूरा 360 degrees my spirit so after that I was telling Abba and also since from that day new things are happening in my life and God was Abba was telling practice more son learn more son I don't know the moment when Abba calling me like son beta I don't know that the love of father that is a love of father literally no I never witnessed this in my life whole life and I'm here and my friends Sumit and Ishika and Thomas we all over here we are connected to the church so thank you for everyone actually uh, thank you